Hello. Alright, I have an unboxing today. I got my G13, but I don't have anything to put on it. I didn't have trucks or tape or I have wheels, but I didn't have anything else. So I just got dump trucks from Flatface, and then I got FBS extra smooth, and I got Teflon bushings. So here we go. I don't know where to cut. No. Okay. So I'm setting it up on my G13. So, Flatface sticker. I have like 8 of these now. Flatface Vista sticker. I don't know if there's any more stickers. Okay, so here's my Teflon bushings, and it has came with washers too. I don't know if these are the same as, I don't know. Okay, so there's the Teflon stuff. And then here's the FBS extra smooth. I've never gotten any of this before. I've only had rip tape, and my rip tape on this is super worn. It's like coming off right there. So I'm just gonna open it and feel it. Oh, it's so good. Yeah, it feels, I like that better than rip tape. Even though I haven't used it, it feels good. I got 5 of the uncut. Yeah. Yeah. And then there's a fingerboard store sticker. And then just says this random crap. Now, here's the dump trucks. Oh, I asked Mike if he could send me red ones to match my G13, and he did, because he's a bro. So it has the nuts and bolts, whatever. It just says Tech tuning, that's why I'm getting the other ones. And then I got another set, just because they're super cheap, they're only $4. And I need trucks too. Those are yellow. I got red and yellow ones. And it came with a pink Flatface, small Vista one. And then that's it. So yeah, I'm gonna put all this stuff on after smooth G13 dump trucks, Teflon bushings, dump trucks. So yeah, I'll just put this stuff on and then probably just make a video using the G13. See ya.